Hi, Rob here at the Rack Shop, and today we're going to take a quick look at Yakima's EvenKeel. This is a super economical way to help transport your kayak on your rack system. So just a quick look here, we've got the box, and so you can know what to expect. The box itself is 11 by 8.5 by about 8, and super lightweight, but this is a full kit, so you get all 4 saddles, your 2 load straps, and your balancer and tie downs. So this is actually a really nice kit. So here we've got 1 saddle already mounted, and you can see here that it does have flex to help conform to your hull, and there's actually a rubber section here to help provide grip of the boat to the cradle itself. So here we have one that's not mounted yet. I'll give you a closer look at this. So here you've got that kind of spring motion to help form to the hull. You've got your mounting hardware, which is easy on, easy off. So righty tighty, lefty loosey, and that will draw in the clamp to help grip it to the load bar. There's a little assembly of these carriers out of the box. You've got 4 of these rubber pads here, and those 4 need to be inserted onto this section of the mount. So you need to repeat that for all 4. So other than that, that's the only assembly needed. You loosen it up a little bit, bring it to your bar, loosen it up a lot bit. There we go. And go ahead and tighten it up. Okay. 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 And actually, we'll bring this a little closer in. So of course these will be adjusted depending on the width of your boat, but I'm bringing them together so I can kind of help demonstrate on how everything is strapped together. So there we go. We've got both saddles connected onto this crossbar. Of course, it's going to be a 2-bar system, so there'll be another load bar with your other 2 saddles helping hold the boat that's sitting right here in the middle. So once you have this attached, I don't know if you saw this in the video, but you actually get these little screws. So on the back side of the carriers, on the handle I should say, there's a secondary hole, and you can actually insert this screw, and basically it screws this handle into the mount, giving it an effective security measure. So while you can't add an actual lock and key to it, you can add these special little bolts, and that'll help prevent somebody from walking up and borrowing your kayak mounts. So I didn't actually open the box for you. Normally I like to open the box, show you what you get. Of course, you get all your manuals, your straps. I've already removed 2 of the carriers. So this is their economically priced system. So their load straps don't have the rubber boot that protects the buckle. So just be careful and mindful when you're operating your strap around your vehicle. And yeah, that's about it. That's what comes in there. So from here, again, you're pretty much set to go. Actually, I'm gonna throw this in the box before that walks away. You're pretty much ready to go. I'll show you how to load your kayak and how to strap it. So this box is gonna be we're gonna try to have it be our kayak, and we're gonna rest that right here. And then what you do is you take your strap, and on one side of the bar, loop it underneath. And of course, I'm using the straps that have rubber boot. This kit does not include that. Feed your strap. Hey! Welcome back. All right, sorry about that. Just had a customer pop in, pick up a Yakima full tilt 4. So perfect time for her to come by and pick up that bike rack, which we do have plenty of bike racks in stock. We even have a video that goes through some of the details, some of the key features on some of the bike racks, link somewhere, but visit our website, therackshop.com, and we offer free shipping on all of those bicycle hitch racks, so check them out. So to jump back where we were, we are going to tie our kayak down. So again, we've got our cam buckle strap, and just for one more time, this one has a rubber boot. The EvenKeel does not, so it's just a bare metal buckle. So again, it's a very economical set. If you're looking for something with higher end features, check out the Yakima deckhand or the Yakima hand roll. Both of those are really nice options, and we have videos on those as well. All right, back to strapping our kayak down. So we take our strap, take one end under the bar behind the mounting tower. We're gonna go ahead and just tack the strap through the bottom, so just to hold a little part of it. Pull our strap through, and what we would do, of course your kayak's gonna be long and pointy, so we would take our strap, sling it over the kayak. So it'll end up over the kayak, something like that. Take our strap, we can go ahead and untack it, and we'll go ahead and pull out this slack, bringing our buckle higher up onto the kayak. There we go. Now we take our open end, run it underneath the bar behind the tower again. Reason why you'd want it behind the tower, that's going to prevent that strap from being able to slip off. So if you were to tie it on the outside of the tower, there's potential for that strap to slip off and have your boat come loose, which you do not want. All right, so again, under the bar behind the tower, and we'll go ahead and feed it through the bottom. Pull out all the slack. All right, and then just pull that down nice and tight. So then, I mean, you can see here just on the display, it's pretty sturdy, and I didn't even crank down hard on it. That method is actually a really great way to tie down pretty much whatever you're carrying on the roof. Uses it to carry some plywood the other day. So really great tying method. So from here, take your strap, you can neatly tie it up, maybe put it in the cockpit or behind wherever, stow it away. So you're almost done. So you repeat that on the back bar, and then you need your bow and stern tie downs. So the kit does include those straps, but you do need this tie down the front and the rear of your kayak. Now, on a lot of cars these days, it can be difficult to do. Most of the cars are buttoned up on the front for aerodynamics, better fuel economy. So if you have tow hooks on the front or tow hooks on the back, maybe a hitch on the back and something that you can tie down to, great. If not, Yakima has got you covered with the hood anchors. These are sold in sets of 2. The way this works, you have this thicker end. You'd open up your hood, your trunk, your hatch, whatever it is, place this thicker end back behind it, close the hood, hatch or trunk, leaving this loop exposed. So then you have a really easy to get to secure tie down point. So again, you may not need these, but if you do, Yakima's got you covered. So that's pretty much it for the Yakima EvenKeel. A really great low cost option. But again, if you want something more features, maybe it might help you with loading, unloading, check out the Yakima hand roll and deckhand. So again, Rob with the Rack Shop, and like always, thanks for watching.